Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install PyCharm on Windows 11 operating system. PyCharm is the Python IDE for data science and web development. First go to JetBrains, it is the official website for PyCharm. Click on developer tools, then click on PyCharm. See here, PyCharm is the Python IDE for data science and web development. Click on this download. See, this is the professional and this is the community. Professional is the paid one and we can use for 30-day trial. But for community it is free. PyCharm community edition, and select the .exe and click on download. See, download has been started and its size is 457 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, PyCharm community edition downloaded successfully. Click on this exe file. Click on next. This will be the installation destination folder for PyCharm. If you want to change, click on browse, select the path. Otherwise, if you are okay with this one, click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select this one. If you want to update the context menu, you have to. If you want to create associations, you have to select the .py. So, and if you want to update the path variables, you have to select. Then click on next. These are all optional. Okay, click on next, and this will be the name in the start menu. Okay, click on next, install. See, installation has been started. See, installation has been completed. Now it is asking us to reboot the system to complete the installation of PyCharm community edition. If you want to restart now or reboot now, you have to select this checkbox. Otherwise, select I want to reboot, I want to manually reboot later. Then click on finish. Now if you go to start, see here we have the PyCharm community edition. Go to applications, go to JetBrains folder. See here we have the PyCharm community edition. Click on it. Do not see here we have the two options, configure install directory. Then we have to select the directory. Otherwise, do not import settings. Click on OK. Let me maximize it. See here we have the three options: new project, open, and get from VCS. Okay, version control system. So click on new project. This will be the default location. If you want to change, you can change by clicking on this browse button. Okay, I'm okay with this one. This is for temporary purpose and name is the Python project. Then click on create. See, now it is creating virtual environment. Let me maximize it. Let me create a new file. Right click on here, select the Python file. Then provide the name. Don't give the .py because we have already selected Python, and hit enter. See, it automatically taken the .py extension. Now print welcome to R2 course. Select it. Click on this execute button. See, output is printed. Even if you want to print sum of two numbers, click on print. Click on this execute button. Auto saves. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PyCharm on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to create the sample Python program and compile it or execute it. Okay. For more Python videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.